Hey, little mama. Oh, shit. I'm tired, girl. Master cylinder. Tighten them up. Tighten them up. Fill them up. The brakes bled. Wash the pump. Run the lines. Put a windshield washer bottle. Cables to the battery. Ground cables to the battery off the frame is there. Grind it down off the paint. Wires, brand new wire harness in up in here, up to the lights. The other wire harness gonna be the one that come over here to the alternator. We're gonna clean up. We see any gray, we gonna get that done. We're gonna wet sand when we get a chance. But this black is done for sure. We're just gonna keep working, cuz I just like it. I like the way it's coming together. No complaints. I mean, I can complain, but shit, I don't think that's necessary. I complain about fucking, nigga, I've been trying to find bolts and all that shit up and through here. You know what I'm saying? When you put it back, you gotta do it different. It's like with the sway bar shit, the motherfucking bolts. You gotta end up putting like a nut and a bolt on there, on the sway bar brackets. So I got 3 of them hoes tight. 3 of them got us for sure way to tighten, I should say. So I'm gonna go back and tighten up a bunch of this shit. I gotta get this bumper tightened up tomorrow. And your boy working, cause the first thing was the dilemma was trying to find how the hell did I take them horns off. But now I'm painting some brackets I just painted some brackets that go on that what's called lower radiator housing or the fan shroud in place. You know what I mean? Paint the bolts, do this shit on the way, cuz if I mess up anything, try to tap with a little paint. But I'm so impressed. I love your car, cuz. And that's why I'm gonna show love to your car. And anybody car ever come around me, man, I'm gonna show love to your car like it's mine, cuz I might have overdid it, you hear me, man? But goddamn, it's all about for this, you know what I mean? It's all about my little partner seeing through here and be like, okay, I see, man. I see why I fuck with you, hear me? Like I said, we're gonna get this bumper straight. Got a little taps, some pat-pats with the paint where it hit on there. But shit, let's just work, cuz. I want to be able to look in this motherfucker all different ways and see what's been done to it and point it out. There's overflow jug over there, radiator on waiting, grounds and shit, wires ran, all these right here. I might pat a little paint on every one of these little silver things because it's a black thing. We ain't trying to go out like that. You know what I'm saying? I don't really need to show them little bolts if I don't need to. If I can pat with a little pat. You know, we can say pat. Little paint, cuz. Yeah, check them out though. I like it a lot. And it ain't done yet. And you know what I've been noticing? Every day I come here, every day black dry a little harder, dry, look better and better. You hear me, man? Old powder coated black looking ass black. You hear me, man? I love it, G. And can always be doing better. And that's what I like about it. Even if I paint and overdo like overspray and that shit go, it kind of blemish, I go right back on that motherfucking spot and I can come back really, really shiny. Wires ain't too bad. Maybe I need some sort of a wire harness for it. I'm tired, man, but I just really want to show y'all this shit. I'm finna give me some rest and get up and work on some more. Tomorrow is gonna be a tighten up mission. Tighten up everything I can. Shit, work towards getting this motor up in there, which I've been doing every day. Make sure everything I touch gets tightened all the way. Tie rods in and out are done. Sway bar bushings and links in that motherfucker. Let's see what the end looks like. End links look like, cuz I haven't tightened them up though. Alright, end links. There you go up in there. It's cool to see some new. You know what I'm talking about? I think I gotta change this little lower dam, turn it all the way around, facing the other way. Check him out though, cuz I fuck with the young B St. Louis, say he fucking with you. You get that top up under there. I need one more of them things. I had a new one. I got that one right there, so you know I don't like that shit. If I got to, I'll hit that bitch with that wire wheel, get a little matching out of it for a minute. Yeah, whatever paint I ain't got right, I'll try to fix my best. Not try, but I will. I'll do my best at it. That's all I know. I got the light bulbs in there. Brand new lights, looking like the ones that's on my car. Let's go, cuz. This is a long video. Young B St. Louis out. More work to do. Look at that tunnel. Blackout.